minimize my needs. All I ever do is delay, but every attempt to evade the end of the road in my head.